Hi there. Today I'm going to walk you through how to install a Class 3 trailer hitch. Perfect for towing bikes, cargo carriers, or a small trailer.
This is a 2-inch receiver hitch we're installing, which bolts directly to the vehicle's frame, no drilling required. It's designated for up to 3,500 gross trailer weight and 350 pounds tongue weight. Common specs for most light-duty towing setups.
I'm Jay. This is Jay's How-To channel.
Now, as far as the installation goes, you might need to set up a paint can and prop it up. Then on the driver's side, hold the hitch up and bolt it in place. Now, this is going to be a bolt with a concave tooth washer. Make sure the teeth on the washer are facing up toward the hitch plate. Now, to begin our installation. On the driver's side frame rail, we're going to have a total of 3 attachment points. On the passenger side of our Nissan, we're going to have 2 attachment points. They will be factory threaded well nuts. These are very clean well nuts. I only have 14,000 miles on my car. So I do suggest spraying them down using a toothbrush to work them in and out and clean out any potential dirt or debris that may be inside. We're just going to take our hardware and simply thread it into those factory well nuts, the same hardware combination for all 5 of our attachment points. If you're finding value in this video, do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button or leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this video so far. Hopefully it helps spread out to other people as well. Now that I have all of our hardware in place, I'm going to hand tighten these down with a socket wrench. Now, if you do intend on doing some towing, I would recommend picking up some trailer wiring. That way the lights on your trailer will sync up with the lights on the back of your Murano, and you'll be safe and legal. I've got an Amazon affiliate link in the description below the video, and I've got a Kurt trailer hitch as well. As far as the hitch's weight capacity goes, it will have 350 pound maximum gross tongue weight rating. That will be the amount of weight that's pushing down on the hitch. That's a pretty high number, and you should be able to use pretty much any size bike rack or cargo carrier that you'd want to use. For example, as far as the maximum gross trailer weight goes, it will be 3,500 pounds, and that will be the amount of weight that's pulling on the hitch. So that's the weight of your trailer, plus anything that you might have on it. Now, moving over to the passenger side. Keep in mind, the trailer receiver, a 2-inch ball, a pin, and a clip does not come included with the hitch. But if you need one, you can find it here with an Amazon affiliate link in the description below the video. Now for the torque wrench. We can come back with the torque wrench and tighten down all of our hardware to 86 foot-pounds. That's 116 Newton meters. And lock it in place. Wow, that took a lot of work. And again on the second bolt. Moving over to the other side. "86 foot-pounds, 116 Newton meters." And again on the other two bolts. And that finishes up our look at our installation of the CURT trailer hitch receiver on our 2021 Nissan Murano. Now I'm installing a cargo tray. I'm locking it in place with this cargo pin lock. It has a key on the back of it. I've got a tent and a cooler. Now I'm removing the locking pin. Now I'm installing the bike rack. I'm loading 2 bikes on my bike rack.
I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this.